Let's talk about the top 7 foods that restore liver function and reverse liver disease. This is very, very, very important. We have so many people with liver disease now. Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor for 34 years. Let's get healthy. Like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell other people. Let's get everybody healthy. Today I want to talk about the top 7 foods for rejuvenating the liver, stopping liver disease in general, and it can be done. But unfortunately, most Americans don't eat these foods on a regular daily basis, and this is important. Okay, number 1, spinach and all greens in general. They have a huge amount of antioxidants and other compounds that actually reverse fatty liver disease and actually reverse, cirrhosis of the liver also. And this is the rejuvenation spinach, which I eat every morning out in the garden, and really fantastic. But all spinaches, all greens really are good for the liver. I eat a ton of either rejuvenation spinach every day, at least a half pound, or kale every day. Really great stuff. Next up is beans. Beans have a huge amount of nutrients that actually are good for the liver, and huge amount of fiber, which are really amazing for the liver in general, for cleaning it and also getting toxins out of it. Unfortunately, only 4% of Americans eat beans, and we wonder why we have so much liver disease and liver cirrhosis. I eat at least, 30 ounces of beans every day, and I have all my, laboratory functions are fantastic. And also an added advantage to beans, they will extend your life. Even just a little bit, about 4 ounces, will extend your life 10 years if you eat it every single day. The next one is apples. Apples have a huge amount of pectin, which is really great for healing the liver itself. Also have a huge amount of fiber and lots of antioxidants that heal your liver too. That old saying, apple a day keeps the doctor away? Absolutely true. If you have liver disease, you got to eat at least 2 or 3 of these, good apples of any kind, really every single day. Actually, another one is papaya. Papaya is full of lots of enzymes that actually heal the liver in a huge way. And also, it has a lot of healing qualities in the beta-carotene it has, so it really heals the liver. All kinds of things. We eat papaya at every breakfast. This is good for the liver. If you have liver disease, eat your papaya every single day. Another one is radishes. Radishes, I don't care if it's the Chinese varieties or Japanese varieties or the good old red ones like you get in the store all the time. These are amazing. They have compounds that actually reverse liver disease and stop the process of creating cirrhosis or the scarring of the liver. So this is very, very, very important. My wife is a radish crazy, so we eat them all the time. Another one is berries. Berries of all kinds are just amazing. Strawberries, blackberries, cranberries, blueberries. They all have a huge amount of antioxidants. They heal the liver, stop the cirrhosis, stop the, fatty liver disease. And if you have liver disease going on, you got to eat lots and lots of berries. Another one is ground flax seeds. These are amazing. Lots of omega-3, 6, and 9s in there that heal your liver. Do a great job. And fiber for healing the liver. If you have liver disease going on, you got to eat at least, I would recommend a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. If I recommend for an average person who doesn't have liver disease, a tablespoon of flaxseed, ground flaxseed, either the dark ones like this or the golden ones. And if you have liver disease, 2 tablespoons daily. I'm going to give you a couple extras. Water. If you're not drinking enough water, your liver can't function. It's really important. There's 37,000 trillion enzymatic reactions that happen in your body every second. They all rely on water. I drink 1.5 gallons every single day. A minimum for anybody is like 3.5 quarts. Very important. Another extra one, which is really important. I like oatmeal because it has a lot of beta glucans in it. And beta glucans are really amazing for healing the liver. So score 1 for good old oatmeal. Good for the liver. And here's your liver over on the right side. And then your gallbladder down below and your stomach on the left there. And give your liver a chance. It's a huge organ. And it's very regenerative. It wants to heal itself. But if you give it a chance, giving it these wonderful foods, it will reverse its process and heal and get rid of that disease and function correctly. So there you go. Eat those wonderful greens, and especially spinach, also beans and radishes and different things, and they will make a great change in your liver and get rid of that liver disease. And you can reverse that fatty liver disease or alcoholic liver disease. Of course, you got to stop drinking, that's for sure. And this is very, very, very important. The liver wants to heal itself. Remember God, remember I love you. Also, please say a prayer for everybody in Los Angeles. It's been devastating. The fire is there, and they've lost a lot of people. They say up to 24 now. And so please pray for them. And, what are they going to do? Where are they going to go? And all these different things. If you, care to donate to some of the donation places, that's great also. Please pray. I appreciate that. I love you.